Hello friends, good morning. Welcome to Gold, Silver and Foreign Exchange Market Discussion with SD. मैं हूं SD शानंदो दास, मल्टी एसेट ट्रेडिंग एंड इन्वेस्टमेंट स्पेशलिस्ट. If you want to follow me, you can go to my website, that is saanandodas.com, shanandodas.com. Oops, looks like I have misspelled it. Now it should be correct. Here I am. And there, if you check out my live insights, it will take you to my YouTube channel, where in the playlist I regularly publish videos. And from the playlist also, आप देख सकते हो पुराने different playlists, like about bonds, global market, currency, like strategies and concepts. So different videos आप check out कर सकते हो. If you want, you can follow me in my X profile that was previously known as Twitter. So ट्विटर में भी आप मुझे फॉलो कर सकते हो. So let's get into this one as well. This is my X profile. I regularly post on X both the Nifty top that happened in September as well as the S&P 500 top. I have warned right in time via this X market post. So I keep on posting ideas and others through this. So these are the popular social media where you can follow me up. So let us get into today's topic of discussion, that is commodity, that is gold, silver and foreign exchange market. So limited security को हम लोग देखेंगे and focus रखेंगे more on the technical side of the chart and largely हम लोग daily chart को follow करेंगे. Many a time I trade gold, silver based on the daily chart. I find it no issues. Dollar index have been clearly in a down phase, the way we have discussed it. While a weak dollar generally good for gold, but gold has been moving by the same fundamental which has been pushing dollar higher. That is interest rates. As interest rates was pushing higher, dollar and gold both were moving higher. But now if I look at the interest rate, it has been falling. But after yesterday data आया, that is the inflation, US का inflation data आया था and उसके साथ some changes दिख रहे हैं. Inflation data came on the weaker side, नीचे की तरफ आया है, which is actually interest rate नीचे जाने के लिए positive, but overall long term interest rate जो होता है वो different factors उसको मूव कराता है, नॉट जस्ट क्या सेंट्रल बैंक का आउटलुक है. सेंट्रल बैंक का आउटलुक हैज टर्न्ड फॉर रेट कट आफ्टर द इन्फ्लेशन ड्रॉप, which will affect more of a short term जो बॉन्ड्स हैं उनको अफेक्ट करते हैं, whereas long term bonds को different fundamentals affected. So long term bonds एक pause दिखा रहा है from the sell off. Now I'll closely watch, is it translating to dollar pause as well, but dollar अभी तक कोई भी pause नहीं दे रहा है weakness में. We can see dollar steadily declining. Now we'll look at others. So Euro USD has been up, ये हम लोग discuss कर चुके थे, and big players have been increasing their positions in euro. So euro के लिए काफी bullish है. I think it will continue to test this 1.10 region. ये euro USD test करता रहेगा before finally yes a breakout can come. So as dollar has been weak, euro and GBP has significantly shown strength, but actual the strongest of the lot जो होता है उसको होता है Japanese yen. जापानीज येन जो है वो सबसे स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट है और इसके लिए हम लोग बेसिकली, मैं इसको हटा दे रहा हूं एंड आई गो टू इंडिकेटर्स, अप्लाई फ्रेश, एंड उसमें आई विल अप्लाई द फॉरेन एक्सचेंज सेटअप, फॉरेक्स एंड करेंसी सेटअप अप्लाई करेंगे। और अभी हम लोग देखेंगे यूएसडी जेपीवाई को, आफ्टर दैट आई विल कम टू बैक टू द जीबीपी, बट दिस वन हैज एक्चुअली बीन वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग. Japanese yen has been very strong currency as the dollar interest rate has been declining. अब हम लोग देखेंगे जीबीपी यूएसडी को, which has been quite bullish as dollar weakening, important resistance पे reach किया है, so थोड़ा consolidation or even a correction is very likely. As dollar remains weak, relative USD INR has become relatively stable. फिर से एक रेंजिश बिहेवियर पैटर्न शो कर रहा है यूएसडी आईएनआर. आरबीआई is trying to now maintain the INR within this bracket around 87.5 on the upside, and likely downside RBI would like it to drop, but downside remains limited as per me for now tier towards 86.5. so 1 रुपए का जो स्प्रेड है इसके अंदर यूएसडी आईएनआर कैन स्पेंड सम टाइम. अब हम लोग देखेंगे इंटरनेशनल गोल्ड, बाद में देखेंगे एमसीएक्स गोल्ड. गोल्ड कल रात को एक बाई सिग्नल के साथ अपीयर हुआ काफी टाइम बाद, सो लग रहा है फाइनली वी कैन गेट सम वंस अगेन बाई मोड चालू हो सकता है गोल्ड में. एज लॉन्ग टर्म इंटरेस्ट रेट्स reverse, gold can also reverse and we can see some further strong up move, but main psychological barrier है $3000. एक बार वो टूट गया, we can see some another round of strong money flow towards gold. So gold remains still bullish, it is coming back into strength. कल रात को मुझे buy signal मिला and I'm getting a new big candle, looks like buyers are strong for now. And silver 2 दिन पहले सिग्नल दिया था, silver has been strong, not today. Today it is correcting, but over the last 2 days silver has shown strength. So I remain bullish and long positioned in both gold and silver. I personally think that gold is somewhat exhausted, the rally. So I was expecting rather a correction. After that I was expecting buy. So initial buying, I have taken a bit cautious approach. जो मैं कर सकता हूं उसका 50% quantity I have fired up. Now let's look at the individual chart of gold mini and silver micro. Gold mini also showing strength. ये रहा, एक important breakouts हो रहे हैं, but very fast नहीं, क्योंकि ऊपर सामने की resistance है. And overall silver has been very strong. If I look at silver mini or silver micro, silver mini is preferred. It is marginally bullish, correcting. I think gradually silver is broadly ready to test out further. एक important resistance वो break कर चुका है. At this point silver में correction is fine, but मैं expect नहीं करूंगा कि silver is moving below 97,600 और इवन अपना मिन स्टॉप जो है 97,900, ये 98,000 का बैरियर मतलब सपोर्ट अगर ब्रेक डाउन हो रहा है तो फिर से सिल्वर एक रेंजिश बिहेवियर शो करने लगेगा. We'll get to know how we will progress आगे के दिन में. क्रूड ऑयल सेल ऑफ से एक ब्रीदर ले रहा है, इट इज टेकिंग अ मेजर पॉज फ्रॉम द सेल ऑफ. एक important जगह पे. Future में it can turn into a buy signal. Currently it has moved into consolidation. So that's all, friends. A quick look at the commodity market via Fountain of Gold setup with SD. Thank you so much for watching my video. All the best from my side, and as always, happy trading.